Are you facing a tricky problem with your ASP.MVC.NET 6 web app deployment? Let's dive into the issue at hand. The problem arises when you attempt to deploy your project using Deployment Center, and suddenly you encounter an error stating, "Cannot load file or assembly system. Text.Json version equals 8.0.0.4. Quite a perplexing situation, right? Now, let's move on to the solution that can help resolve this hiccup. The key lies in creating a global.json file at the root of your project. By defining the target .NET version within this file, such as 6.0.424, you can instruct the Azure Web App Service to utilize this specific version during the build and deployment process. This simple yet effective workaround ensures that your project aligns with the correct .NET version, bypassing the issue with the default .NET version mismatch. In summary, addressing this deployment snag involves setting the desired .NET version through the global.json file, ultimately allowing a seamless build and deployment process. With this solution in place, you can bid farewell to the pesky error and continue working on your projects hassle-free. Don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tips. Like this video if it brought a smile to your face, and drop a comment with your thoughts below. Stay tuned for more tech insights, and happy coding!